Looking for the best roofing contractor in the Twin Cities? Look no further than Viking Contractors. We're a locally owned and operated roofing company that has been serving the Minneapolis-St. Paul area for years. We're experts in roof repair, roof replacement, and roof inspection, and we're committed to providing our customers with the best quality services. As your go-to roofing contractors in Minneapolis, Minnesota, we are dedicated to providing outstanding workmanship and quality service to all of our clients. Our team of experts is committed to ensuring that every project we undertake meets or exceeds our clients' expectations. We use only the highest quality materials and the latest techniques to ensure that our work is durable, long-lasting, and aesthetically pleasing. Remember that dealing with storm damage can be stressful, but taking prompt action and working with Viking Contractors LLC qualified professionals can help minimize the impact on your home and your wallet. Contact us. Call 621-567-5522